Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamakti and today I'm going to share a skincare tip with you that I found recently, and I found it on Insta. I was going through these short clips and I found this one clip. I'm so sorry I couldn't note the person who shared this because the clips come and go so fast, and I thought, okay, it will work or it will not work. I was skeptical, but it worked for me. So if you know who originally shared this secret or tip, then please share it in the comments box. So if you are starting with one active or any ingredient that you are very scared of, like you're using this for the first time, you don't know it's gonna cause you purging or it's gonna make your skin sensitive, vulnerable, and you just want to be extra cautious, so you can do one thing. Instead of directly applying one new active on your skin, you can start with applying water-based moisturizer that doesn't have much occlusive or no occlusive. So you're gonna apply that after washing your face. Then after applying that moisturizer, you're gonna put the active based product in serum or treatment form, so your skin can take it gently. So after applying this active based product, now you're going to apply another moisturizer that has occlusive, so that it can prevent the water and moisture loss. This trick known as skincare sandwich, because you are layering the products like this. This trick is usually for the beginners who are starting with new actives, and initially for 7 days you can do this method. 7 or 10 days, then you can apply the actives directly on your skin and you can apply the moisturizer as we normally use. As simple as that. And yeah, it's interesting and it worked for me because recently I wanted to try one active. Already I'm having a little breakout and my skin is feeling vulnerable, so I did this. It worked for me and I thought it might work for you as well, but everyone's skin is different. And about pH, many actives work with neutral pH. Even BH, like salicylic acid, there is one recent study that shows this salicylic acid, it can work with neutral pH, because sometimes your skin might get overwhelmed by this active or this ingredient, so you want to just start gently and slowly and softly, and yeah, you do this for 7 days, then you can apply this active or this ingredient directly on your skin. It worked for me, but as you know, everyone's skin is different. It might work for me, might not work for you. I just wanted to share this tip because I found this to be helpful, and yeah, let me know what do you think of it. So that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.